Hello, and welcome to UFly UAS Tutorials. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to fully unlock your DJI M30, 30, 30M, and 30T using DroneHacks version 2 software. Let's get started. First, we need to download DJI Assistant 2 for enterprise drones. Go ahead and launch your preferred internet browser and simply type dji.com/downloads. In the menu on the left, click Software, then select DJI Assistant 2 Series and select DJI Assistant 2 for enterprise drones. On the right, select Windows. I will download the executable file. Now that the file is downloaded, minimize the window and go to your Downloads folder. From here, just please follow along to install DJI Assistant 2 for enterprise drones. Please uncheck Launch DJI Assistant 2 since we only need the drivers and will not be using the software. Now that DJI Assistant 2 is installed, let's proceed to dronehacks.com. Open your preferred browser and type dronehacks.com. At the top right, you can click Login if you already have an account. If you don't have an account, click Sign Up and complete all the required fields. You will need this account to purchase a license to be able to unlock your drone. The license will be tied to your account. Since I already have an account, I am going to click Login. Type in the email and password you used to create your DroneHacks account and click Login. Great, we have successfully logged in. Let's now download DroneHacks version 2. On the main page, click Download DroneHacks for free, then click Download DroneHacks version 2. Once the download is completed, minimize your browser and open your Downloads folder. From here, just follow along to install DroneHacks version 2. Once the installation is complete, leave the checkbox selected and click Finish. This will launch the DroneHacks V2 login screen and click Yes, I agree. Enter the email and password you used to create your DroneHacks account, then click Sign in. We have now reached DroneHacks interface. Click the drone icon. The software is now waiting for us to connect the drone. Let's go ahead and do that now. Connect your USB-C cable to the USB-C port on your drone and power it on. Connect the USB-A cable to your computer. In the connection status, ensure that the status shows healthy. Let's now proceed to purchase a license. In the left-hand menu, click License Management. Then click Purchase New License. The program will run a compatibility check of your computer and firmware before allowing you to purchase the license. If it fails, most likely you are missing the recovery drivers from dronehacks.com. You can easily download and install those drivers and reboot your computer and try again. Link in the description. Once the compatibility check passes and displays a green check mark, the license purchase window will appear, allowing you to complete the license purchase. Select the checkbox and click Continue to the next step. Choose your preferred payment method and complete the license purchase. Once you have completed your license purchase, click License Management in the left-hand menu. Great, we now have a license. Let's go ahead and register the license. This will bind the license to your drone. In the license confirmation window, click Confirm. We have now successfully registered the license. On the left menu, click Modifications. Here you can apply no-fly zone removal, altitude limit removal, and permanent FCC mode. Click Apply Modifications. Read the legal and operational disclaimer and click I agree. The software is now applying all the modifications to your drone. Great! Let's verify that all modifications were applied successfully. Click Modifications again to review the changes. Excellent! We have now completed all modifications to the drone. Please note that if FCC mode has a red X next to it, that means you must enable it manually in the Pilot 2 app due to EU regulations. You can now close DroneHacks. As a bonus, I will show you how to enable FCC mode manually in the DJI Pilot 2 app if the FCC mode had a red X next to it. Let's go ahead and do that now. Power on your controller and launch the DJI Pilot 2 app. Click Enter Camera View. Close the pre-flight checklist. Click the three dots on the top right corner. At the bottom right corner, click the three dots, click on device name and delete the existing text, and type DHFCC on. Then click Save. This will activate FCC mode. You have now successfully completed all the drone hacks modifications. Congratulations on successfully unlocking your DJI M30, 30M, or 30T. If you found value in this tutorial, please consider giving it a like and subscribing for more video tutorials. Thank you, and see you in the next one.